Yo guys, today I'm back again. Make sure to like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get MLG voice man. First of all, mates, go to this website. Fucking, I'll put it in the description box, mates. Okay, and first of all, you need to put a voice to what is it? Hold on, Daniel UK. Yes, Daniel UK. Enter the text effect. Put anything. I don't know. English, of course. Whatever. Who cares? Enter text and says like subscribe and like or else. Okay. Okay, I'll here. Say it.
Subscribe and like or else XDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDD.
See? He's like so cool, man. Watch this. I'm gonna enter another one. Okay, watch. What? Get no scope. Nigga. Noob. Watch it. XDDDD. XDDDDD. Say it.
Get no scope noob XDDDDDDDDDDD.
See? It's cool. It's a MLG voice confirmed. See? Okay, make sure you really subscribe, like, and I'll be back. And always, yeah. Bye, mates, my good friends.